स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यान् चक्षुचैवान्तरे भ्रुवो प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यान् बाह्यान् स्पर्शान् बहि कृत्वा those outside sensual objects, you should keep them outside. Chakshu chaivantaran antare bhruvo. In between two eyebrows, you must feel the sensation inside. Between two eyebrows. Pranapana samokrita. Nasa bhantaracharina. You should breathe out and breathe in. In samatha. Samatha means, it is very important. For instance, you breathe in and you breathe out. Not like this. You have not to breathe in and out like this. You have to breathe in your own nasa. For instance, you have to breathe like this and this. Only this much. You have not to breathe not like this. You have to breathe very slowly that it does not breathe at all. It takes only this kind of space to breathe. Only this much. This is the reality of one-pointedness.
So when you do that though, sometimes then you're breathing, you don't get enough breath. It feels like you're not going to get
It is not suffocation. Suffocated, you will never become suffocated because it is life. It is lifeful at that time. When in my courses I was not breathing. I was breathing like this. When I was out, then I would do.
Suddenly.
Yes, that is outside. Inside is this. When you don't breathe at all, you breathe only from here to here. Bas, that is all. So there is no breath. It is only glamour of Madhyanadi, central vein. You are residing in central vein. Sushumna Nadi. It is in Sushumna Nadi. It goes in Sushumna Nadi and it is finished.
But if you thought, from practical point of view,
Huh?
you were demonstrating that to me one day when we went to Harlem. You stopped at the side of the road and you said breath must only go this much. But if a normal person sits down and just makes their breath go like that, then they're short of breath, isn't it? Or does that feeling go?
No, shorter breath.
But there is that feeling that you need more breath.
No, you don't get urge for breathing. You don't get urge for breathing. This is something different.
My experience is that when you one pointed on watching your breath and so forth.
When it is one pointed, then you don't breathe.
Breathing slows down automatically.
Not in so much space.
So it becomes less and less as you.
Huh?
When you're breathing and you're becoming more one-pointed, then your breathing becomes less and less.
Less and less. And in the end, it breathes only this much.
But my problem is that before I get to that point,
if it comes down, if it comes down from here, it goes up to this, then it returns there.
My experience, when I become one-pointed and become less and less and less, all of a sudden that panic comes and I go, I take that, like I'm not breathing, I get a shock that, no, I'm not breathing, and then I take a breath.
That is because you are not focused in that Parabhairava state. Once you are focused in Parabhairava state, then you won't breathe because you are lifeful.
So how do we get over that gap of that panic?
Yes, both ways it is divine. Both ways, if you breathe, that is also divine. If you don't breathe, that is also divine. It is this. I showed you. It is said nasa bhantara charana. Only breath does not move out from nasa, out from nasika. It moves only this much. So there is no such breathing. You should not examine. You should not examine. It is automatic. It is automatic. It will happen automatic someday when you are glorified with my grace.
When we're meditating, you say we should lengthen the breath, make it slower and longer. What does that mean?
Lengthen not. You should
have used that word.
you should breathe very slowly.
Slowly.
You mean lengthen time?
Huh?
Lengthen time, lessen space.
Less space.
And lengthen time. So
Yes.
it should take longer to go even that little distance.
Yes.
But you should make your breath long.
Long, no.
Breathe out, that's what I'm saying. You shouldn't do that. You should only be this much, but time should
Yes.
be longer.
Yes.
And space is less.
Yes. How wonderful.